Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe. Today I bring you this gorgeous looking Jaguar E-Pace midsize SUV. This example is the E-Pace R Dynamic S D150, finished here in the lovely Fuji white solid color. This model will boast a very premium looking front end, offering distinctive LED headlights with signature daytime running lights surrounded by gloss black front grille and inserts. As a Jaguar approved used vehicle, will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side, the gloss black finish alloy wheels will also complement the look of the vehicle, and there's even privacy glass available in the rear. Passengers in the rear of the cabin will be able to enjoy loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, with the upholstery finish in ebony leather with contrasting light oyster stitching. Center armrests and cup holders, isofix child anchor points and rear events should make them very happy indeed. The rear will offer distinctive LED tail lights with large twin exhaust pipes, and the boot space for added comfort is power opening and closing, offering a very large boot space. You can always create more space by folding the rear seats down in a 60-40 split, and there's another hidden compartment which is great for storing items out of view. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will offer a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, with front seats offering additional side lumbar support for added comfort, and those seats themselves are even electrically adjustable. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar E-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now, or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Jaguar E-Pace, the interior looks absolutely fantastic. Lots of soft touch materials and stitching on the dash give it a luxurious feel, and there is easy use controls for the steering wheel and wing mirrors. Multifunction steering will operate cruise control and speed limiter, whilst the color TFT screen offers digital speedometer to complement analog dials, as well as bespoke drive modes such as rain, ice, snow, economy, comfort, or a dynamic mode for a more sporty spirited drive. There is even a traffic sign recognition camera available to make sure you never exceed the speed limits, as well as radio controls and various driver assistance modes such as collision avoidance, city emergency braking, and lane keep assist function. Moving over to the center screen, you can enjoy this 10-inch Touch Pro system, which is a joy to use, featuring built-in satellite navigation with both 2D and 3D views, as well as easy-to-use Bluetooth telephony pairing, as well as Bluetooth audio. All your music will be delivered through both AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, and there are even heated front seats available in the front with a 3-stage setting, which will keep you warm and cozy during the winter months. For added connectivity, you'll be happy to know there's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces, and to help you park, rear view camera will offer a wide-angle view, which is fully further complemented by audible and visual front and rear parking sensors. Moving down the console, the 3 rotary dials will control the 2-zone climate control system, and you can also quickly utilize the heated front seat section by pushing the dial away from you. Heated front windscreen is ideal for frosty mornings ahead of us, and there's also loads of storage solutions and cup holders, as well as built-in USB chargers to keep your devices all topped up with battery. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar E-Pace R Dynamic S that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact one of our Jaguar specialists on 01270 864 386, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.